you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots. I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out. Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This weekend is all about me. Today is Friday and we're already outside. I'm about to meet my girlfriend for Pilates. I tried La La Land for the first time and I got the banana cream top latte with espresso shots. Wow.
Came out looking to party and now I'm owning that building. You bitches can't get my spot until I start raising some children. These bitches all in their feelings, can't fuck with Nikki, they know it. They know that Nikki.
Okay, so now for my Sephora haul. Mind you, I have not been to Sephora in months. And the last time I went with my girlfriend Sherelle, it does not count because we didn't purchase anything. So, I purchased the tower. I've been wanting to get the Rescue SOS spray for a very long time, but it's just never in stock and I don't. That smells like hot breath. Yeah, that smells like hot breath, but it's never in stock. And when it comes to Sephora products, I need to go in there and see if I like it. That's just me. So I got the SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I'm really excited for this. I also got the Daily Balancing Gel Cleanser. So I'm finishing up my La Roche-Posay right now, and I needed a new gentle cleanser because I do have hyperpigmentation on my face right now, and I need to be very gentle, very demure when it comes to my face. I also picked up the Rescue Lip treatment, so yeah, got that. And I just picked this up because I want to try it. I don't have many products from Glossier. I think I got like 2 glosses from them that they sent to me, but I bought the Boy Brow. And I'm really trying to figure out a brow pencil. I mean, not a brow pencil, but a brow gel. I've used Ardell, which is 10 out of 10. I ran out of that, so I haven't been back to purchase that. I used about every single one, and I'm still not satisfied. This is my latest one, and a makeup artist out here, she posted this, and I immediately bought it. I'm that type of shopper. I stopped, drop, and shop. So this is really good, but I'm excited to try this. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see. In my Pilates class, she did something to me in there. I took a Pilates class at, I'm going to add it, but it was in Frisco. The instructor was really nice. She was very patient. This was my first time of doing reformer Pilates. I think that's what it's called. And yeah, will I be back? Yes, I would. I know. Oh, see, yeah, this is gonna piss me off. Cause what can I do with this? We're going to see. That's disappointing. And let's see how the brow pencil is. But yeah, the Pilates class was really cool. I'm about to take a shower and I'm done for the day. Tomorrow we have a volleyball practice. I mean, not volleyball practice, we have a volleyball game. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh, I might like this. Yeah, I might like this. I'm not sure if you can see. But yeah. My girlfriend has a class that she's hosting, a hair class on Sunday, and I'm going, and that was my reason to go to Sephora. New brows for my girlfriend's class. So But yeah, I will see you guys a little bit later. Today was 10 out of 10. Dropped off hair, went to Pilates with my girlfriend. My childhood girlfriend just moved out here, and having lunch and just linking up in our 30s, it's just does something to my childhood. Like, this person has seen many versions of myself. So yeah, all right, I'll talk to you guys later. So yeah, like I mentioned earlier, I have some hyperpigmentation on my face, and I've been using products tailored and customized solely for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So what I've been using, CosRX blemish treatment serum, and this has zinc, I don't know how to pronounce that, allantoin, and hyaluronic acid. It is for blemishes, and clearly I have a blemish. And then I've also been using this discoloration care by the same brand, and yeah, the Belief True Cream. This is amazing. This was sent to me and I'm literally obsessed. I believe it's $30, and I will definitely buy this again. Well, I didn't buy it, but I will purchase this. I'm going to purchase this as soon as I run out. This is amazing. And of course, I'm still using the vitamin C by Coco Kind, and this is just to brighten your skin and create an even surface. So definitely need that. And I've been topping it off with sealing the deal with the La Roche-Posay double repair face moisturizer and black castor oil. So I'm going to add this into my routine and see if I like it. I haven't shared any products in a very long time, because who has had a skincare routine? Not me. Girl, I've been fighting for my life. So that's the only thing that I switched up. So I'm about to shower, and yeah. No competition, these bitches fail. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get up where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not keep me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail. Cool on gang. Scope a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Slapping round bitches and making bail, ho. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp pimp shit. Ay, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year? Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit? Ay, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Megan. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in your new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing about none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks cause they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, run flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Yo bitches bursting, they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in